All right, a couple things. We've got our spreadsheet. If you want everything, say in this column, to be centered, if you click on the column header, you can easily just center it that way so everything in that column goes. But let's say you want the whole thing, your whole spreadsheet centered. Click in this square here and it will do both your columns and your rows, and then you could choose centered. So it's a fast way of centering things, and then anything else that you put in these rows will stay in the center. Now, if we want to collapse, say these 3 rows we want to hide because we're not going to use this information for a while. So you can just simply select one and then hold down the Shift key, select the other one so they're all highlighted. And then if you just simply right click, it'll bring up these options. And one, you can just say hide. So we're going to say hide. And what you'll notice is that now there's just little arrows because now we go from A to E. Now you can go about your work, you can hide more, and then let's say we want to go back to see those. You simply just go up to where that arrow is and you click and it will expand it back out again so you can see those. And then if you want to hide them again, simply just right click and rehide them. Okay, that is how you hide and show these columns that you'll be creating in your spreadsheet.